How to use Surfer SEO Pro properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Surfer SEO Pro is a powerful tool for content optimization, but most beginners make mistakes that cost traffic and ranking potential. You won't believe how often small setup errors led to missed opportunities. The first mistake is ignoring the content editor recommendations. Surfer SEO analyzes top ranking pages and provides keyword density, headings, and structure suggestions. Beginners often skip these insights and write content blindly, missing chances to match search intent. For example, if Surfer suggests including related terms like on-page SEO tools in headings, ignoring it can hurt ranking potential. Another common error is not performing proper SERP analysis. Surfer Pro lets you review competitor content and backlinks. Beginners often focus only on their own pages, failing to understand what competitors do right. Knowing which keywords competitors rank for and the structure they use helps you optimize your content strategically. A third mistake is unusing the audit tool. Many users create content but never audit it. The audit feature highlights missing keywords, word count issues, and technical SEO problems. Ignoring it can leave your content under-optimized and less competitive. Beginners also often overlook NULP features. Surfer Pro suggests semantically related words that Google expects to see. Not using these can result in content that doesn't fully satisfy search intent. Including terms like SEO audit or content strategy naturally strengthens relevance. Finally, failing to track improvements is a frequent pitfall. Surfer allows you to track keyword performance over time. Beginners may optimize once and forget monitoring results. Tracking ensures your efforts translate into high rankings. To use Surfer SEO Pro effectively, follow content editor suggestions, analyze SERPs, audit your content, leverage NULP terms, and track results. Avoiding these mistakes ensures your content performs better, ranks higher, and drives measurable traffic.